Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I am here with another unboxing for you today. We are opening up the Eureka Crystal Beads LITE Collection from August 2025. So let's take a look at what's inside. In case you're new here, Eureka LITE Collections are our bite-sized, exclusive monthly drops of custom bead color palettes, which we launch on a Monday in the middle of every month. If you're craving more, we also launch full-size collections on the first Thursday of every month, which are always packed with beady goodness. The great thing about Eureka Collections is they're not a subscription, so you just get whatever one you like. Okay, wow. So as a person who loves blues and greens, this collection is just absolutely stunning for me. These are the colors that just get my inspiration running away with me. So I am very excited to look and see what is in the Underground Cavern LITE Collection. So if you recall, we did have a full-size Underground Cavern collection in the past. This is a collaboration with Bronze Pony. She's the one who came up with the inspiration image and with the color palette. Here is your list of products. Everything is listed here, so you can just type this into EurekaCrystalBeads.com in the search bar, and you can find the exact item that is in your collection. So I'm really excited to see how the collection has changed when going from full size to light. We did try to do our best to include everything that you would need to make certain projects that Stephanie's already designed, as well as potential future projects. So I'm going to go through everything one at a time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our content. All right, let's put this inspiration image to the side here. So the first 4 items on our list, as always, these are our seed beads. We have some Miyuki Round 15-0, these tiny little darlings in this beautiful silver color. We also have Miyuki 11-0 seed beads, and this is a full 10-gram tube. So you are going to be getting a lot. The tubes aren't always full because they're by weight, but this is a lot of seed beads here. This first 15-0 is a 5-gram tube, and then we have some delicas in 2 colors, and these are each 3-gram tubes. So because it's the LITE collection, we sacrifice quantity in order for you to get quality so that you could get multiple colors of the delicas. So we have this beautiful beige-y, creamy color, kind of like the inside of an oyster shell perhaps, although it doesn't have that pearlescent glow with the colors. It does have a beautiful shiny finish on it, very lustrous. And then if you're wanting the AB color, rainbow color, that's going to be on this delica in this beautiful sea foamy tealy green color. Just gorgeous. Okay, so now into the really fun part, the crystal. The next 3 items are our Krakovski crystal items, and in this case we have 2 colors of these stunning faceted elongated bicone beads. We call them oval beads, but they're essentially an elongated bicone, and they're absolutely beautiful. This blue and this green play together so well on the theme with the water and the cavern up top. You are going to be getting 10 of each, which is enough for some really fun projects. We also have a strand. These are 8mm pearls in this beautiful metallic silver gray color. And just to show you the difference, like 8mm is probably the largest common size of beads that we carry. Obviously we have larger sizes as well, but in terms of the range of the ones that are most popular, goes from 2mm to 8mm. And you have both here because you have an 8mm bead here and a 2mm bead here. And just look at that difference. The gamut of sizes is available to you in this collection. And more in the crystal category, we have this Preciosa bicone mix. This is a 4mm mix, and you're getting a pack of 72. And aren't these just beautiful? Oh my gosh. So much sparkle. These facets are amazing. Preciosa, of course, a well-known European crystal brand. They've been around for ages, so they know what they're doing. Okay, and Preciosa was all well and good and beautiful, but look at this. This next section features our elite Eureka crystal, and you are just going to be blown away by how beautiful these crystals are and how they sparkle. Not that it's a competition, but elite Eureka crystals are top of the line, machine cut crystal made in Austria. If you're looking for color coordination, these are going to be identical from batch to batch. You are not going to have any issues with that. And you are just going to be able to see how much depth there is in these beautiful, high quality crystals. These are Eureka Elite crystals, and these are only available at Eureka. As usual with our Stephanie collections from Bronze Pony, you'll find that you're getting a lot of stuff, even in the ones that are marketed as being smaller than usual. So what you have here is 4 8mm chatons in this beautiful blue. You also have 4 8mm chatons in this gorgeous tealy green. You're also getting 2 12mm Rivolis in this matching teal green color and 1 larger 14mm Rivoli in the matching blue color. So you can already see the potential for making all sorts of beautiful matching sets. And look how well it just matches with everything else. I'm just gonna like pop that right in the middle here. I'm in awe of the beauty. I'm in awe of Stephanie's color sense. This is just really gorgeous how everything's come together. Next up, more crystal. We have our workhorse beads here, our Chinese crystal rondelles. And you get 2 strands here. Another vote for that beautiful tealy green color with these beautiful facets. And we also have here like a nice neutral, creamy, pearly color that is also very, very sparkly. So you get 2 of those strands. Next up with the Czech glass, we have our next 3 items. 2 fire polishes. These are both very small. One is a 2mm, that's this one, and this is a 3mm. So you can really see how dainty and small these are, but they're absolutely beautiful. Look at this very saturated blue. It is just beautifully reminiscent of the deep end of a pool, right? Doesn't it look so nice? And then we have this grounded, beachy looking, yellowy, pewtery, metallic kind of color. And then of course we have a mix of our 2-hole gem duos. And these are actually mini gem duos, so you can see they're a bit smaller. They're absolutely perfect if you are trying to make dainty designs. They're very good for earrings. And in this mix, we've put together the silver and that beautiful saturated bluish green color in there. The original collection had a tube of each, but now we've put them in a mix, and all just a way to make it more affordable. And finally, we have some decorative ear wires and a nice and interesting hammered textured toggle clasp. So these are the findings that are going with this one, and that gives you enough to make a pair of earrings and a bracelet. So that's not too bad. Of course, you can always grab extra findings so you can make even more stuff on our website. So check out EurekaCrystalBeads.com for that. And that is the collection. So what do y'all think? Did we get the vibes right for shrinking down the original Underground Cavern? If you have that one, what do you think of this version? If you don't, are you going to grab this version? Are you feeling it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below. We're always really interested to hear what y'all think of what we are putting together. And also give us some ideas for what you'd like to see in the future. So I'm Nishka, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!